Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking onto this video, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back you guys. Now, as you've all already read from today's title, today's video is going to be on the face chart makeup. Now, this is something that I've never done before, and I always wanted to try and see if, I'm able to do that. Now, I don't call myself as a beauty guru because I'm not, to be honest with you. I already have my little printout out. And basically, I'm going to be using, instead of makeup products, you've probably seen a lot of videos on YouTube, and many people do these face chart makeups by using makeup products. But instead of using makeup products, I thought, why don't I use pencil crayons instead? So I'm going to be using pencil crayons to do this person's makeup. And I consider myself as someone who is really good with using pencil crayons. This is I think the 50 pack. Like your close dollar store, like a full pack for like, I think I paid like $1.25 for this, and it's worth it. There's like literally 50 in there, and it comes with like all different shades. So let's see how that goes, guys. So let's begin. Well, overall, I would give myself a pat in the back because this is something that I've never done before and a first time thing, especially using pencil crayons to do it. I mean, like doing makeup. I mean, I've never done this before. So I was quite impressed. If you guys made it till the end, thank you guys for watching this video. If you did like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss any of my posts. You guys will be notified every time I post a video on YouTube. Thank you for watching this video, and also I will see you guys very soon. Take care, guys. Stay safe.
So in my last video, I forgot to give out a shout out. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving out 2 shout outs. The first shout out goes to Raman Matharu, and my second shout out goes to myself for attempting to do this challenge.